Hey there guys, Chris here, and in this video we're going to discuss Mailerlite, a popular email marketing platform. If you're new to Mailerlite, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll take you through a step-by-step guide to get you started with the tool. First, let's give you an overview of what Mailerlite is. Mailerlite is an all-in-one email marketing solution that helps you create and send professional-looking emails, automate your email marketing campaigns, and grow your audience. With Mailerlite, you can create email newsletters, automate email sequences, and even build landing pages. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with Mailerlite. We'll show you the basics, show you how to sign up, and get familiar with the dashboard. You'll learn how to navigate the interface, create your first email campaign, and understand the different features and tools available. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Mailerlite, the first step you need to do is to create an account, and you can find that link down in the description. So click on the first link you find there, and this will take you to the correct homepage. When you sign up with that link, I'll send you my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, like the email marketing template, which is tailored to meet the specific needs of email marketers like you. They're worth $100 plus, so you'll get all that for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. When you use it, I do make a small commission, so that's at no cost to you. So thank you so much for using that. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Sign Up for Free button. This will begin the process of registering your account. You'll then have the option to create your new account using your email address, Google account, or Microsoft account. Choose the one that works best for you. After signing up, follow the prompts and fill out the required information. This will help you complete your profile and get you set up with Mailerlite. Once you finish this step, you'll be taken directly to your account dashboard. This is where you'll be able to access all of Mailerlite's features and start creating your email campaigns. The Mailerlite dashboard is the main control center for managing your email marketing campaigns. When you log in, you'll see a menu on the left side of the screen with various tabs. This menu is the key to navigating the dashboard and accessing all the features and tools you need to manage your email marketing efforts. The first tab is Dashboard. It provides a bird's eye view of your account's activity and performance. This is where you can get a quick snapshot of how your campaigns are doing and make data-driven decisions to improve them. The Campaign tab is where the magic happens. This is where you can create and manage your email campaigns, including creating new ones and existing the old ones. Whether you're promoting a new product, sharing news, or nurturing leads, this is where you'll make it happen. The Subscribers tab is all about managing your mailing list. Here you can view and manage the people who have subscribed to your list, add new subscribers, search for specific ones, and even divide them into different segments, groups, and fields. You can also access stats, clean up inactive subscribers, and view your history. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with all of you. I've developed top-notch templates that streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of the video and check it out. All right, back to the video. The Forms tab is where you'll create and customize forms to gather subscribers. This is where you can design and build the forms that will help you grow your mailing list. You can also see number of pop-ups, embedded forms, and promotion for forms you've created. The Sites tab is where you'll manage websites or landing pages associated with your campaigns. This is where you can connect your website, landing pages, or other online properties to your Mailerlite account, and even start driving traffic and conversations. The Automation tab allows you to set up automated email sequences or workflows. This means you can create a series of emails that are sent to your subscribers at specific intervals without having to lift a finger. And in the Automation tab, you can set up new automation sequences and make your email marketing efforts more efficient. The Account Settings tab is where you can customize your account preferences and details. Here you can manage your company profile, adjust default settings, add domains, set up e-commerce integration, and configure link tracking. This is also where you can update your account information and make sure everything is running smoothly. The Integrations tab is where you can connect Mailerlite to other software tools and platforms. This allows you to expand the capabilities of Mailerlite and integrate it with other tools that you use. You can use API or featured integrations to connect with other services to make your email marketing efforts more effective. The File Manager tab allows you to organize and access files used in your campaigns. This is where you can upload and store images, documents, and other files you use in your email campaigns. My Templates is where your saved email templates are stored for future use. This means you can create a new campaign using a template you've used before, saving you time and effort. You can also create new campaigns from scratch. Now that you have a good understanding of the features of the functionalities of Mailerlite, it's time to put them into practice. Let's go ahead and create a campaign in Mailerlite and start driving results for your business. Now, let's see how to create a campaign in Mailerlite. To get started, click on the Campaign tab in the left menu to go to the campaign page. From there, click the Create button to start building your campaign. You'll have several options for the type of campaign you want to create, including a regular campaign, A/B split campaign, RSS campaign, auto resend campaign, and multivariate campaign. For this example, we'll choose the regular campaign option, which allows you to send a standard email campaign to your selected subscribers. Next, provide the campaign details, including the campaign name, subject, sender, pre-header, and recipients. You'll also see a preview of how your email will look in the inbox. Once you've filled in all the details, click the Next Content button to move on to the next step. Now it's time to design your email. You have 3 options: start from scratch, use a template, or use the design from a recent email. For this demo, we'll choose the Template Gallery option and select Second Template. Hover over the template and click the Choose option that appears, and you'll be taken to the editor where you can customize the template to fit your needs. In the editor, you have the flexibility to customize the template to suit your specific needs, and you can modify the content, images, and design elements to align with your brand and your message. Once you've made the desired changes, click the Done Editing button located at the top right corner of the editor. For this tutorial, we won't be making any changes to the template, but it's important to note that this template is fully editable and customizable to meet your requirements. After clicking the Done Editing button, you'll proceed to the final stage of the campaign setup. This is where you'll review and schedule your campaign for deployment. In this stage, you'll find various options for scheduling your campaign at the bottom of the page. You can choose to send the campaign immediately by selecting Send Now, schedule it for a later time or date, send it based on different time zones, or use Smart Sending to optimize the delivery time. For the tutorial, we'll select the Send Now option and then click Send Test Email to send a test email to ensure everything is working as expected. If the test email is delivered successfully, it's time to launch your campaign. To do this, simply click the Send button located at the bottom right side of the page. Once you've clicked this button, your campaign will be sent to your selected subscribers and you can start tracking its performance. But it's important to keep in mind, if you haven't completed your profile or not verified your phone number and email, you won't be able to send a campaign. So make sure to complete all the necessary steps in your account settings before launching your first campaign. Once you send the campaign, it's time to keep track of its performance and continue building your email marketing efforts. Remember, the more you use Mailerlite, the better you'll understand its features and functionalities, and the more effectively you can use it to drive results for your business. Alright, that is it for this tutorial on how to use Mailerlite. I hope you found this video useful and learned something new. If you found this content helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below, and I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thank you for watching, and take care.